I just want to say a couple of words. One, I'm extremely touched by your warmth and gratitude. Means the way you have done it, even though I joined late. Extremely touched, and I'm extremely glad that so many of people I knew before are also a part of this cricket team. Number two, the bank has actually done very well in the last few years, and we have become a part of the community in sponsoring various kinds of projects. So yesterday only I saw Italy has qualified for this World Cup. So and a part of the diaspora is from India. So it's a very small diaspora here in Russia. So maybe some of our next generation or something, if they are given the enthusiasm, not only in Moscow, otherwise this part of this world can also become a part of the mainstream. So, and for that, in case this particular community requires some kind of support from the bank for any kind of tournaments or sponsorships or whatsoever, we can also look forward to it. We have become a part of the. We have become a part of.
He wants a sponsorship for
it. We have become a part of the Ganesh Puja. We have become a part of so many here in Moscow. So many. So it's a very small amount, but sufficiently much bigger to cover this entire thing. So in case you go for a tournament, like for example, on 8th and 9th of October into this year, we are having a cricket tournament in Kazan, where there will be people from Russia will be participating, and people are being brought from India to participate. Some of you are very good. So in case some of you who are good, this is a tournament in Kazan and going ahead, the bank can also become a part of this entire diaspora, and going ahead, we can be a part of this, so that we can have a tournament where CIBIL Moscow is a co-sponsor or a sponsor, and we can finance to a very great extent. I wish you all the best, and really touched with that.
Thank you, PM Bhai and Mishra ji for the food. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks for your kind words.
Just remember what he said. Huh? Don't forget.